In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right ClickUp app. So if you want to get the correct version of ClickUp, then let me show you how you can do it on your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to get the correct ClickUp app, go ahead and tap on Google Play Store. And from Play Store here, you should be able to see this search bar. However, if you can't find your search bar, go ahead and tap on search here. And this will open the search bar. Just go ahead and search ClickUp as one word. Then tap on search here. And this will take us to this app. Now, if you tap on it, you can see this is the correct app. ClickUp Tasks, Charts, Docs, and AI. It is from ClickUp, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.4 with over 18,000 reviews, and currently the file size of this app is around 61 MBs with over 1 million downloads. So this data might have changed by the time you are watching this. To download it and install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of ClickUp and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here, or you can go back to your apps. And now you should be able to find it and start using it. So that's how you can find and install the right ClickUp app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.